Dear viewers, I wish you are well by the grace of Allah. Thank you very much for staying with me. This online class will help you, my dear student. Today I like to inform you a very important subject related to our daily life. Dear viewers, you know that all of you or all of us are drivers. I inform you briefly a short description about the activity of human body and CPU related to driving. This short description has been sourced from the HSC textbook, HSC English first paper textbook. So, dear learners, you know that you have to answer some questions based on the passage or based on my description. Two types of questions you have to answer: 5 multiple choice questions, 5 marks, and 5 short questions, 10 marks. Now, I believe you will carefully listen my short brief or short description. Thank you very much. Let me start. When you are in a seat of a driving or driver, you have the horn steering in your hands, the brake and accelerator under your feet, eyes open, looking ahead, left and right. The same can be said about a motorcycle rider with some modifications. All the activities are visible here. Behind all, there is something keeps working unseen. That is the central processing unit, your brain. We know CPUs are artificially intelligent machine that is programmed to do some specific jobs under fixed conditions and judgment. But on the other hand, human brain or your brain is intelligent by nature. That is, the most sophisticated machines is able to operate on ever changing conditions and standards of conditions. Conditions are common, or conditions keeps invariably changing. Conditions for traffic keeps invariably changing. The virtue of this sophistication of your brain must be active or must be working when you are driving. Here we see the difference between the vehicles of roads and highways and racing circuits must not be blurring inside you. Never imagine yourself to be Michael Schumacher. F1 300 per miles. Leave no room for fantasy, as always we or you should be ready to encounter any unexpected behavior from vehicles and pedestrians. Keep your cool is easy to advise but difficult to maintain. Now, you must or you should restrain yourself, as you don't want to be regarded as a killer at the end of the day. However, my dear students or learners, you certainly know or see that the things that differentiates you from a computer is your conscience. Thank you very much. I have finished my short description. Now you have to answer 5 multiple choice questions. I have written down 5 questions on the whiteboard behind mine. Thank you or welcome to the writings. Question number 1. The word intelligent, which is used in the passage, stands for. Here in the questions, we have been asked to match another words with intelligent. Intelligent means buddhiman. 4 options are there in the questions: witty, dull, clever, interesting. Witty means buddhimatta বা বুদ্ধিমান, বুদ্ধিমত্তা, ডাল বুদ্ধি নেই যার, ক্লেভার চালাক, ইন্টারেস্টিং আগ্রহী বা মজাদার। সুতরাং অর্থগত দিক দিয়ে witty is the perfect matching word of intelligent. Question number 2. The passage deals about, কোন ব্যাপারে প্যাসেজটি আলোচিত হয়েছে? We notice the 4 options: different situation in driving, B number rules of traffic অর্থাৎ যানবাহনের নিয়ম কানুন, methods of driving গাড়ি পরিচালনার পদ্ধতি, activity of human brain and CPU. According to the passage, the last option is the correct answer of the questions. Activity of human brain মানুষের ব্রেইনের কাজকর্ম এবং সিপিইউ এর কার্যাবলী সম্পর্কে প্যাসেজটি আলোচিত হয়েছে। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 3. হোয়াট ডাজ এ কম্পিউটার ল্যাক? একটা কম্পিউটারের কি অভাব থাকে? 4 অপশনস হিয়ার ইন রিটেন ডাউন. অপশন এ ক্যাপাসিটি, ক্যাপাবিলিটি, স্কিল, কনসায়েন্স। একটা কম্পিউটারের ক্যাপাসিটি থাকে, ক্যাপাবিলিটি যোগ্যতা বা দক্ষতাও থাকে, স্কিল থাকে, তবে কনসায়েন্স থাকে না। কনসায়েন্স চেতনা থাকে না, চেতনাটা অ্যাবসেন্ট থাকে, যা মানুষের ব্রেনের থাকে। সুতরাং the right answer to the question is conscience. Question number 4. Blurring means dash. Here 4 options: hazy, distinct, shining and obvious. hazy দোদুল্যমান অবস্থায় থাকা বা অস্পষ্ট থাকা, ডিস্টিংক্ট স্পষ্ট থাকা, শিহিনিং উজ্জ্বল থাকা, অবভিয়াস সুস্পষ্ট থাকা। সুতরাং 3 options are discarded according to the questions and option number A is the right answer. Question number 5. Fixed. This word is also used in the passage. What is the meaning of fixed? Fixed means definite, special, indefinite and managed. Definite নির্দিষ্ট, স্পেশাল বিশেষ এবং ইনডেফিনাইট অনির্দিষ্ট, ম্যানেজড মানে আয়োজিত, যা ম্যানেজ করা হয় বা পরিচালনা করা হয়। ডেফিনাইট এখানে রিয়েল অ্যান্সার টু দ্য কোশ্চেন্স. Dear learners, you have noticed the 5 multiple choice questions. Based on the passage, we have to answer or choose the right answer, right word. Now we will know the another 5 questions. We have to answer short way. In short way, question number 1. Keep your cool means what does keep your cool means keep your cool বলতে প্যাসেজে কি বলা হয়েছে really to be cool or maintain serenity and tranquility or consideration at the time of driving is the indication here in the passage. So, every driver should be considerate, should not imagine, should not give shelter in the hard imagination. This is the indication of this quotation, keep your cool. This is also hard to advise but maintain to difficult to maintain. Question number 2. What's the difference between human brain and CPU? Based on the passage, I think that human brain is self-established. Human brain can operate CPU. CPU cannot operate human brain. So, human brain is natural and CPU is artificial. CPU has to do some specific jobs under fixed condition and judgment. But human brain naturally can perform any type of activity or any type of changing situation, can solve any type of changing situation. At last, human brain, really the operator of CPU is human brain. Question number 3. What does sorry, what does leave no room for fantasy means? Here fantasy means kalpana, imagination. The advice has been given to the drivers in the passage, leave no room for fantasy at the time of driving. Nobody should take imagination, nobody should bear imagination at the time of driving. Fantasy should not be kept in mind at the time, because at the time of driving we should deeply conscious to encounter any unexpected behavior from the vehicles and the pedestrians. I think that the conditions on the road is very complex. Thank you. You have already known the answer to the questions. Question number 4. My dear learners, you know, you have to know how differentiates us from computers. and how. To these questions we can say, or we can answer to the question that very important things here in the passage is denoted or described, that is conscience. A computer has no conscience, but human brain has conscience. So, conscience differentiates us from a computer. Computer is electronically operated and human is operated naturally. Naturality is the difference, and computer cannot be operated without electronic power. Thank you very much, my dear students. You have known the type of questions. After reading or listening a passage, short passage, you have to answer which type of questions I have tried to inform you, and another questions you have to answer after listening the passage, that is summary. No more today. The next class I must help you to know about the concept questions and answer system. Thank you very much. No more today. See you again.